In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily export a video in After Effects. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, this is my video right over here. And what I want to do is that I want to export it in After Effects. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the File option, and then I'm going to click on the Export option, and then Add to Render Queue. Once you do that, your video is going to be added to a render queue. As you can see, mine is on composition 6, or has 6 folders rather, and this is because I have exported this video 5 times before the 6th one. So as you can see, if it's your first time exporting, it's going to show you number 1. But as you can see, I have exported this video 5 times and this is my 6th time, so it's going to give me 6 files. So what you're gonna do now is that once you have added your video to a render queue, what you're gonna do now is that you wanna change the quality of your video, and you can do that by clicking on the lossless option right over here. Once you do that, click on AVI and select QuickTime, and this is so that your video can have the best quality at the same time with a reasonable storage file size. So what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna click on the OK option. Once you do that, what you're gonna do now is that you wanna select your output option to where you wanna save your video to. Also, you can easily click on the output to option and then click right over here and then select where you want to select the folder that you'd like to save this video to. For example, let's say I want to save this video to videos. I can just simply click on videos, then save. And as you can see, that's where my video will be saved to. So once I'm done doing that, I can easily then click on the render option. So once you do that, it's going to ask you if, for example, here it says there's a file that already exists with that file name. So I can just click on OK because it doesn't matter. But you can change the file's name, for example. You can just simply go back here and then I can just simply say comp2ber. And as you can see, I've changed the file name, so I can just click on the render and then OK. So as you can see, your video will start exporting. So that's how you can easily export a video in After Effects. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.